Alright, if you found that step slow and tedious, I have a feeling that you may really enjoy this next step. It's much faster and looser. The toils with the masking fluid will immediately begin to pay off. Next, I'll apply my base sunlight colors. First, I'll soak the entire paper surface with spray water. You can see that I have the paperboard at a slight tilt. Then I'll apply a pretty rich mix of transparent yellow to the spot where the sun is hiding behind the large tree trunk. And with some rose, I'll encircle my big yellow dot. You'll want to use one of your larger brushes for this, flat or round. Next, with some cobalt blue, I'll encircle all of that, painting in the remainder of the paper. Now I'm going to start rocking the board back and forth to get some blending. I'll give the bullseye another blast of water to loosen things up a bit. And slowly I'll rotate around and around to promote the colors to mix on the surface. As the pigments begin to puddle up on the edges, I'll pick them up with a tissue. As the paper slowly dries, I'll continue to rotate it and wick up the puddles intermittently. With so many techniques in watercolors, it's all about timing. While it's hard to quantify, you don't want to blend the colors too much or they'll simply turn to mud. When you get the look that you want, tip the board less and less and focus on wicking up the puddles more and more. When large puddles are removed, I'll give it a thorough drying with my blow dryer.